guys are all the way, it's me Grace, and today I am going to share with you my short review of the BioFit Tea. So this is how it looks like, and I got this from Mercury Drug for 30 pesos only, and for 30 pesos makukuha nyo na is 5 tea bags. So if you guys aren't aware, this is a laxative, and usually iniinom to ng mga taong gusto magpapayat or gusto lang talagang mailabas ang kailangang mga mailabas. For me, binili ko to, it's because medyo constipated ako, and minsan pag feeling ko bloated ako, iniinom ko to, and it really helps me a lot. So if you guys are parang interested to buy this, ang pinakauna nyo tatandaan is that drink this kapag alam nyo hindi kayo lalabas, meaning siguro kapag Saturday, wala kayong pasok, hindi kayo aalis ng bahay, inumin nyo to Friday night pa lang before you go to sleep, kasi definitely pagising nyo, mararamdaman nyo na yung tiyan nyo sumasakit, and kailangan nyo nang mag number 2. And second is that, kaya ako nasabi na weekend nyo lang inumin, or kapag alam nyo hindi kayo lalabas ng bahay, because guys, hindi nyo alam kung kailan na-atake yung sakit ng tiyan. And I tell you, ayaw mong abutan sa labas kasi sobrang sakit niya na kailangan mo talagang pumunta sa banyo. So binili ko to kasi nga, I don't know if I've said it earlier, minsan kasi I feel bloated and feeling ko ang laki-laki na ng tiyan ko. Kahit malaki naman na talaga siya, mas malaki yung tiyan ko kasi ang dami kong nakain. So, iniinom ko to every weekend. And guys, sobrang laking tulong nito. Kasi after kong inumin to, and for like, bumabalik ako sa banyo for like 4 times a day. And pag after talaga, mararamdaman mo na yung tiyan mo is sobrang nalinis. And feeling ko, ang flat ng tiyan ko. So, parang ito yata yung merong tagline na para sa tiyan na sexy, drink BioFit Tea. So, definitely nakakatulong to. So, if you guys are like interested, ayun lang, tips ko sa inyo is that inumin nyo to pag hindi kayo aalis ng bahay. And effective siya, guys. Yung lasa naman niya is very tolerable. So, if you guys aren't parang into drinking tea, I suggest na lagyan nyo siya ng konting drop ng lemon or ng calamansi, and then very little sugar lang para mainam nyo siya. And, ayun, feeling ko nga rin pag umiinom ako nito, parang ang sarap ng tulog ko. Kaso nga lang, pag-gising is talaga sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko. So, yun. Definitely, this is effective, and sobrang readily available na lang sa mga drugstores, and mura niya lang. It's 30 pesos for 5 tea bags. So, lumalabas 6 pesos lang isang tea bag. And, ayun, if you guys are interested, please don't hesitate to buy this kasi definitely it will help you release those unwanted things in your stomach. So, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short review, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!